You have the blueprint. You have the idea. You have the talent. So why isn't it finished? Why is your dream project still trapped in the drafts folder? We call it the perfection paralysis. It's not procrastination. It's fear disguised as high standards. It whispers, wait, it's not quite ready. You only get one shot. I used to battle this myself. I spent 6 months meticulously planning this very channel before I filmed one single video. 6 months wasted because I was terrified of a bad first take. Here is the brutal truth. Done is better than perfect. Perfection is a mirage. It consumes your time, it drains your energy, and worst of all, it keeps your best work locked away from the people who need it. Think of all the impact you could be having right now if you just pressed publish. The key is a mindset shift. Stop thinking of yourself as a flawless producer delivering a final masterpiece. Start thinking of yourself as a tester launching a version 1.0. Your goal isn't to be perfect. Your goal is to gather data. You can't improve what you haven't released. Every successful product, business, or career is built on rapid iteration. The first iPhone was clunky. The first draft of your favorite book was messy. The launch is just the beginning of your real learning. Fast cycles beat slow perfection every time. We challenge you to adopt the 80% rule. When your project hits 80% completion, when it's functional, deliverable, and better than nothing, stop fiddling and launch it. That remaining 20%? It might be the details that nobody notices, or worse, the details that keep you silent forever. Give yourself permission to be merely great instead of paralyzingly perfect. Now, the fear. What if people hate it? Look, when you launch imperfect work, you will get feedback, and yes, some of it will be negative. But here's the secret. Filter for data. Ignore the haters who just say, this sucks. Listen to the people who say, this sucks because X, Y, Z. That specific criticism is the roadmap for your 2.0. Criticism is the tuition fee you pay for real-world education. Your first attempt is allowed to be bad. That is the cost of entry. The moment you release that imperfect product, you gain feedback, momentum, and credibility. You move from someone planning to someone doing. Look at the one thing you've been holding back. Give yourself a mandatory launch deadline, even if it feels terrifying. Don't wait for perfect, because perfect doesn't exist. Launch it, learn from it, and watch your growth accelerate. You deserve to share your work with the world. What's the 80% complete project you're finally going to ship this week? Tell us in the comments. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more growth theories that actually get you results.